Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from the Hindu of 24th of August. So before I start, we have a course for TestNet, IIFT and XAT examination, and the course for all the courses combined is just rupees 2000. If you want to enroll to that, you can WhatsApp me at 7764869624, and the video you are watching is also a part of that course only. So you will get live video lectures, then you will get some private YouTube videos, then PDFs of those videos, then you will have a quizzing platform where you will have flashcards to increase your retention, and then you will be assessed on a regular basis. Apart from that, you will be getting mentorship. So all of these comes at just rupees 2000. So if you wish to enroll, you can enroll to 7764869624. Now come to the first question of today. It says, which of the following are correct with respect to cyclone Tauktae and Yas? So basically all the options says whether Tauktae and Yas originated in the Arabian Sea or in the Bay of Bengal. So the correct answer for this will be Tauktae was a cyclone which originated in the Arabian Sea, whereas Yas was a cyclone of Bay of Bengal. So that is C option will be correct. As you can see in the figure, the first figure is of Tauktae, which is parallel to the western coast of India. The second one is that of Yas, which you can see the landfall happened in Orissa and part of Bengal. Now the second question is also very important and it can be asked. So basically it talks about World Economic Outlook. So it is a report released by which of the following organization? So there was an article in the Hindu of today in which this particular thing was mentioned. A option says World Bank, B says World Economic Forum, C says INSEAD University, D says International Monetary Fund. So the correct answer for this will be IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. So you have to tell me in the comment below who is the chief economist of IMF right now. Now come to third question. It says which of the following gases are released while burning firewood. So this has also been taken from the Hindu article, and in that particular article the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme was discussed and why it is not a good idea, that was discussed. Okay, so the affordability is the factor because the price of gas is around 1000 rupee and the poor people in the rural area, they cannot afford that much amount to have LPG refilled. So although they have that connection, they have the cylinder with them for free, but they will not refill it because that will require a lot of money. Rather they will go for firewoods, and firewood has its own problem, its own issue. It leads to release of various harmful gases. So indoor pollution is there. So there was a solution given that we should go for smart chulhas. So there was a scheme on smart chulhas, about that it talks about. So here our question is, what are the gases which are released by burning firewood? The first one is carbon dioxide, second one says carbon monoxide, third one says VOC, that is volatile organic compounds, fourth one says the oxides of nitrogen. So A option is 1 and 2 only, that is carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Then B says 3 and 4, that is VOC and NOx. C says 1 and 4, that is carbon dioxide and NOx, and D says all of them. So the correct answer for this will be all of them. All of them are released during the burning of firewood. Okay. Now come to fourth question. It says Jair Bolsonaro is the president of which country? So there was an article, bluster and bogus claims. So he is trying to replace the electronic voting machines with ballot papers, and he is saying that no election will take place until it is fair election. So he is in a way acting in a dictatorial manner. So the options are, he is the president of Argentina, Mexico, Brazil or Venezuela, and the correct option is Brazil. So here we have Australia, Mexico, Brazil and Venezuela. These four countries are given, and all the four persons you are seeing here in the figure are the president or the prime minister of these countries. So Bolsonaro is the president of Brazil. Now the first guy is the Prime Minister of Australia, the second one is the President of Mexico, And the fourth one is the president of Venezuela. So you have to write in the comment below what are their names. Try to Google it and then you can write, because if you will do that exercise then you will come to know who they are. Otherwise, if I will tell everything and you will not get involved in the learning process, you are not going to learn. Now come to fifth question. It says Jim Corbett National Park is located in which state? Again, there was a news related to this particular thing. So A says Himachal Pradesh, B says Uttar Pradesh, C says Uttarakhand, and D says Sikkim. So the answer will be Uttarakhand. It was the first national park of the country established in 1936. And here we also saw HC asks NTCA to consider it as a memo. So what is NTCA? So NTCA is basically National Tiger Conservation Authority. It was set up under Project Tiger and derives power from Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Now come to this one, sixth question. It is also quite important. Panjshir Valley is located in which country? A says Pakistan, B says Afghanistan, C says Israel, and D says Iran. So the answer to this particular question will be Afghanistan. So now come to this particular slide. So here you can see some 5 figures. They all are some valleys which were in news recently. So the first one is in Afghanistan and the name of that valley is Panjshir Valley. The second valley is, and Malala Yousafzai basically belong to Swat Valley. So basically, rather than asking a direct question on Malala Yousafzai, they asked about Swat Valley. Where is Swat Valley located? It is located in Pakistan. Then Juko Valley was in news because of wildfire. It is located at the border of Manipur and Nagaland. Then you have Araku Valley. It is famous for Balul festival in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. And then you have Jiro Valley, which is also famous for Apatani landscape in Arunachal Pradesh. Now come to question number 7. Tehreek-e-Taliban is a group operational in which country? A says Pakistan, B says Afghanistan, C says Iraq, and D says Iran. So the answer to this will be Pakistan. And again, there was a news in the Hindu today. TTP won't be able to operate on Afghan soil. Now come to 8th question. It says the FIH Player of the Year award are awarded annually by the International Hockey Federation to male and female field hockey players adjudged to be the best in the world. Where is the headquarters of FIH located? A says Paris, B says Sydney, C says Switzerland, and D says Vienna. So again, there was a news in the Hindu. Many Indian nominated for FIH awards, and this is the logo of FIH. So when you will see at the logo, it is FIH, but the full form is International Hockey Federation. So it seems the real name is a French name. So many can guess the headquarters will be in Paris, but that is not true. The headquarters is in Switzerland. So this was the question for today. In our next video, we will come across some of the MCQs of 25th of August. So thank you. Thanks for watching.